How to block someone only in Messenger. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up your Messenger application on your device. For that, you need to log into your account. Right after logging in, you'll be able to see the chat box or the conversations with your friends. So here you need to select the person whom you want to block. And after opening the chat box of the person, you have to tap on the eye option in the right upper corner. And here you'll be able to see the block option in the second last row. So you have to simply tap on that. And here are two options: block messages and calls and block on Facebook. Since we are trying to block only in Messenger, you have to go for block messages and calls. And you have to go for block. After doing that, the person will be blocked only on Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.